Hi everyone, this is Vaidyanathan here. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate the use of a task-centric assessment module called Identifying and Correcting Errors in C. So let's go ahead and get started with it. I'm going to launch the first assessment item for this particular module. As the name suggests, the work ahead of you involves identifying and correcting errors in a given C program. So let's click the Begin Test button. You see three panels in front of you. The first panel at the top gives you the task description. The second panel, which is on the left bottom, shows you a C program, and the panel on the right gives you the ability to add errors and correct them. Right? So let's go ahead and get started with this particular program. I go through this program. It's a program for displaying the date attractively. The first error is with regards to the use of the function convert date to words. As you can see here, the convert date to words in line number 24 is calling the function with a parameter date, month and year. However, if you look at the actual function definition, it requires 4 parameters: the date, month, year and the date in words, which is a character array. So that's the first error in this particular program. So it is important to go through the code carefully in order to identify that error. Once you identify that error, we can go ahead and add that error to the list of errors. The second error, as you go through this code, is in line number 57. There is a missing semicolon. So let's go ahead and identify that and add that to the list of errors. Once we have identified the list of errors, after going through the program carefully, we go to the next panel, and in this panel you will see that the pane on the bottom right has changed slightly, giving you the ability to actually correct the code that you have. I correct the code for each line, one line at a time. Once I correct both of them, I submit the assessment item for evaluation, and once I submit it, as usual, I'll be able to see the report for this particular assessment item. As you can see, both the errors have been identified correctly and I have received full marks for this particular assessment item. So that is how you would use this particular task-centric assessment item module, and that is how you would use this particular TCA module. Okay, thank you.